Ngitshela something ke bafethu yabo masikhuluma ngama-best centre back ekasi sikhuluma ngale Grootman leli lingikhumbuza le out le TLB Mbokazi yapha ke lo Mbokazi wabantu abadala bafethu igolide siligubhe mine Grootman lami can you please introduce yourself ngegama lamampela isibongo and also tell our viewers ukuthi uhlala kweliphi ikasi and udlalela which club.
Feli bafethu mina igama lami uTumelo bangibiza ngoSuper bangicava ngihlala eMapitla ngidlalile hayi kwamanje hayi ngisase free agent bafethu ngidlalile iSkep team yami iSkep sure.
So Grootman lami uyazi into ye-football inomlando khona la icale khona so iGrootman ukudlala ibhola licale kanjani yini into motivate ukuthi adlale ibhola and ubani iplayer okhule ubukela phansi kwalo as role model.
Yo mfana yo aish ayibhaya into engakhuluma mfana isitori spaya mara ngizosikhatha uyangithola sure angizosikhatha mina bafethu bengidlala ama team abhaya mfana ngidlalele development eChiefs ngaya kuPolokwane City ngavaya ngaya kuSikhukhuni ngabuya kuJomo ngaya kuGomora ngavaya kuGomora aish umuntu bengimbukeleka mfana kakhulu mfana omunye umjidi mara ukhozi manje uShabi Alonso uyangithola uye umjidi ayo ngenze ukuthi incanyele yonke into nasekhaya bangitshela ukuthi mfana into mawuyithanda qhubeka ngalento leyo mfanami uyabona ungagive up abantu babhaya bekho la emhlabeni ngoba ba give upile into ithande ngenhliziyo yonke into oyenzayo ipassion thandaza sure.
So Grootman lami la siza intwana ezincane especially intwana ezincane ezikhulele ekasi so but ziyadinga ukuyazi le ndaba le ukuthi zokhula ngendlela right so na Grootman lami since couple how do you handle the pressure and how do you prepare yourself for ama games?
Lento le mfana isimple ayifuna into esibhaya mele ujime uyabona ungezwe ngabantu bathi lo akakhona ukwenza yini believe in yourself umamela ucoach ujime kanzima yonke into izozenzakela ngesikhathi sakaNkulunkulu sure.
So when as a player which player wadlala nalo eli best as a teammate iplayer eli best as the hardest opponent and iplayer ungakazo wadlala nalo but ungafisa ukudlala nalo as a teammate
ngidlala nobani babhaya mfana ngafeli ngizongale ma3 ngidlale noMdawu ngadlala noKalawa ngadlala nabo bani konje la Grootman le ubani konje la Grootman Simphiwe Tshabalala sure and then ngifisa ukuthi ngadlala ngalo manje unto mfana lentwana le uJaden sure uJaden
hardest opponent
le ngadlala nayo okay against uTLB yo
ayidlalile ibhola udlala netrack ndoda yayibona so Grootman lami ngibuza abantu abaningi le question yabo ngifuna ukuzwa abantu wonke umuntu uyibona kanjani so since when isoccer player ngokubona wakho which position is the hardest grounding and why?
I think the hardest position ila isiswini ngoba la mele uskene mele ube ne-first touch egrand mele usebenzise inyawo ezi2 mele uqabange uyangithola yiyo le nto engayisho ukuthi yiyo mfana ayikho into ebhaya ngakhohlisa mfana yiyo nje
just to prove kuma-viewers wethu ukuthi Grootman ibhola akalazi ngokudlala kuphela uyalazi nangamehlo ibafana ku-World Cup idliwe first game most people bayacomplaina ngocoach ucoach udefender nga5 usithole mongameli angacala umfukeng apolice kumele acala wena if you are kithini wena ubona yiphi mistake mongayilungisa kanjani lesesinika wena lento ukuthi awusicoach lapho?
I think la ekasi nje mele ba choose ama player ngeperformance ungayi ukuthi lo mjita lo uyamazi angayenza lento lena uyangithola I think ucoach into enze wrong ufaka ama defender bhaya uyangithola angeke sithi why bathatha uSibisi bashiye uGrant why bathathe banibani bashiye uKhipidi uyangithola I think lento le coach mele ayenze alungise mele afake ngama center back dlale nge4 emove uyangithola mara mina ngifike isquad mina ukuchayela ivara yabona mina ngivana Spain yabona ngivana Spain iyo lento le nje emela yenze udlala nge443 433 or enye 442 simple sure
hayi bafethu ndizile Grootman nge30 June samxosha uye Spain ayitha kasifave yena 30 June khona kanje enyadlala bafethu because khona abantu bazofila offended nyazidlalela just jokes Grootman lami zokubuza ama question a trick ne. So you as a player, which one do you prefer? To coach akushaya bench full match or substitute first half or akufaka keep?
Hayi angifaki ngesapho. Hayi angifaki ngesapho nje. hayi le ukuthi bakufake bakukhiphe hayi bula khawatha amajita by confident ngithola nano amajita amanye mfana hayi asacabanga lento le I think leyo mina preference yami ukuthi bakufake ngesabo sure.
Any word of the day for intwana ezincane, especially intwana ezincane zasekhasi, ngazitshela advise uthini?
I word of the day simple bafethu uyangithola Chimani nesipane hard angeke kwazi ukuthi ubheke obani iyo lento leyo bafethu sure.
Sawubona happy festival it gone kanje.
Hayi khona kanje
Langi Rodman. Ciao Rodman lang.
Uthi bakuvule